Hello, welcome to Driving It, Tinker Time. Oh. And I'll tell you why, after this. As you can see, there is Herbie. His brake lights are on, and you could be going, wow, big deal, Stuart. What's the big problem? I'll show you what the big problem is. That's his brake pedal, and as you can tell, there is nothing pushing against the brake pedal. His brake lights are stuck on. So what that means is we've got to replace the brake light switch. On a Beetle, not that difficult. To be honest with you, on a bus, far easier, but not that difficult. So I'm going to take you along the journey as we jack him up, take the wheel off and take the thing off, and I'll just go through some of the things that I do when I replace it. Right. So here is my brake light switch. Now you'll see this bed of cardboard with a little lip, because I shouldn't, in theory, shouldn't lose that much oil. Might lose some. So, but I have got my new brake switch ready to go. Now, the one thing I have noticed, the new brake switch is 22mm and the old one is a 24mm. No idea what the hell's going on. So, let's undo. Now, it should be, in theory, should be just uncrack like that. They're not very... He says, I'm a bit cack-handed, so people in the comments, oh, you're really cack-handed. Yes, I know. I have been since I was a child, and I'm not really going to be able to change that now. Here we go. Oh, is that finger tight now? Oh, almost. Sorry, you probably can't see now. You just see my bloody hands in the way, but yeah, unfortunately, there's not a lot of room here, but I'm trying different things with my channel, trying to see if we can do some different bits. Right, so that is literally about to fall out. Now, hang on, trying to get in here. There we go. Oh, feckin' hell, hang on. There we go. Now, in theory, you shouldn't have to bleed the brakes. And it's quite funny, because I was watching some of the YouTube videos and tutorials on this, and then they do it, and then people go, did you bleed the brakes? And everyone's gone, yeah, they did. In theory, you shouldn't have to, because it's the lowest point in the brake circuit. And when fluid comes out, fluid is literally just going, and very quickly, it should be refilled up here with the bigger pipe. So hopefully that will fix our issue. See, it's not very difficult, but we will see what happens when I've done this up, and whether or not we've got brake lights. I mean, the thing is, with these brake switches, you do sometimes wonder, are they working? Because they're not like your normal brake switches, which are adjustable. These are not adjustable in any way. They are on or off. So, there we go, hang on, one more, I think. Crack it off and then snap it. There we go. And that's it. That is a brake light switch fitted. And look at that, we didn't really spill that much oil. That's it, that is all I have spilled, which is really, to be honest with you, negligible amounts. And then the only other thing I've got to do is, which I can't bloody find them now, isn't that fucking idiotic? There they are. Is find the wires for the switch, put them in, and then I'll go and test. And then I'm either going to go, oh, bugger, or not. Now, the annoying thing is, this was working all fine, and I took him to work. I took Herbie to work, and yeah, it was doing all right, and I'd sort of done some driving, and it's all good, and then literally, the hot weather made everything go, ooh, a bit stupid. So, right, let's go and check brake lights. Right, now one thing, because you've been messing with brake fluid, to take your gloves off, because you don't really want to put that all over the car. Now, if I put the fuse in, I'm hoping there are no brake lights. Ow, God, sparky. Now, no brake lights, please say no brake lights, fucking marvellous. And then if I hit the brake button, oh, look at that. Press the button, switch even, button, no, what's it called? Pedal. Look at that, yay, working. So there you go. That is how you replace a brake switch on a Beetle. I have changed my clothes. I had a shower. I've done some more filming and then put it all together, and so I went, you didn't do your outro, you idiot. So yeah, anyway, so that's how you replace a brake switch on a Beetle. Am I going to bleed the system? No, no need to. I've pushed the pedal, it feels exactly the same as it did before I took the switch out, so I'm quite happy with how it is. You might want to bleed the system. It is entirely up to you. Or you might go, oh, I don't want to bleed the system. Again, entirely up to you. These tutorials on YouTube are tutorials. They're not set in stone. You might see something go, I'd rather do that, I'd rather do this. Anyway, I am going to do if it's broken, cut it open, because I've cut the switch open, and it's quite fascinating. I got quite excited, as you know I do. When I cut something open, I go, ooh, lovely, because you're learning new things. But yeah, so there we go. Until the next time, you fucker, something breaks, we'll be back here again. Anyway, mind you go, take care. See you soon. So there you go. Barry's. Oh, for fuck's sake, Barry. No, that's Barry. That's fucking Herbie. Right, I'm going to call you Herbie today. We're going to call you Herbie today. Right. As you can see, there is Herbie.